Hey gang, welcome back to Armcandy. We've got something very special for you today. This is a Celine box bag and it is just exquisite. I love it. Celine is one of my favourite brands because they're so luxurious and they're so understated. They're just beautiful, beautiful things. Beautiful to have, hold and to wear. So this is a box bag, size medium, in gorgeous brown leather. Look at the gleam on that leather. Really is stunning. So it's got a long strap. I'm going to pop it on so you can get an idea of the size. I am a UK size, look how cool it is. I'm a UK size 10, about 5'4", so that'll give you an idea. The exact measurements are on the website. Feels beautiful. The leather with that gleam, it really is just gorgeous. Beautiful, beautiful bag to hold. So it's got a flat closure with the most amazing clasp fasten. It's absolutely stunning. So the idea is that you press this in, which releases it, and then you can lift the flap. And I don't know if you can see, but you know this bit here that the clasp rests on, it's got Celine on it. If I tilt it, can you see? It's got Celine written on that. This is one of the most satisfying clasps. There is something just marvellous about this clasp. I love it. So inside, we've got Celine on the front. Beautiful inside. It really is stunning. Okay, so you've got at the back, we'll start at the back. There is a zipped pocket at the back, and the date code is inside this pocket. There's a photograph of that on the website because I can't angle it so you can see that on the video. Then you've got the main section, and in the front section, 2 flat pockets. Absolutely gorgeous. It comes with a dust bag. Interestingly, it comes with a Lavi dust bag. So that's what you get with it. Condition. So the exterior is in very good condition. It's basically beautiful, but there are just a couple of marks, a couple of signs of wear. So can you see here? There's just a little sign of wrinkle. And on the back, can you see across there? Some signs of wrinkle. The wrinkling, to be honest, the nature of the bag, the structure is such that as soon as you start to open and close it, you will get these wrinkles. So that is part of it. And then can you see just here? There is 2 little marks. And then at the bottom, there, 1, 2, can you see that? 2 tiny hairline scratches. Other than that, the exterior of the bag is excellent condition, but because of those couple of little marks, we've called it very good. The interior is excellent, pristine, gorgeous, nothing to show you there, excellent condition on the inside. And the hardware, we've called very good. There is nothing to point out, there's nothing to show you on this. You can just see that the bag has been used, so we've only given it a very good. It was just a little tiny step below the excellent mark rating that we have. But as you can see, it's great. There's nothing to point out. Okay, so this gorgeous Celine box bag is available on our website. It's just gone live. There's a link in the comments below so it can take you straight to it on the website. Whilst you're there, remember to sign up to the newsletter because then we'll send you your discount code that you can use on your first purchase. It will take you seconds to sign up. You'll either get a pop-up or if not, scroll to the bottom of any page. There's a little white box, pop your email address in, we will immediately send you your discount code. If you don't get it within 60 seconds, check your spam folder because it's perhaps gone in there. What else? Remember to please like the video. The likes that you give the videos really make quite a big difference for us. It reassures us that we're doing the right thing, that we're giving you the information that you want, and that we're on the right track. So the thumb up really does help. And of course, if you are interested in bags, remember to hit the bell. We have got some proper gorgeous Armcandy on its way in, so you don't want to miss it. So hit the bell, and then we'll let you know when we've next got a video on YouTube. But thumb up, hit the bell, click the link to have a look in the comments, and we'll see you back here tomorrow with tomorrow's bag.